Peace and beauties, welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making something very, very special. One of my favorite recipes, a sandwich. So, without any further ado, we might as well hop right into it, shall we? For all of you who are tuning in, I'm so glad to let all of you know that our last videos have been gaining a tremendous amount of views. I'm so pleased that all of you are enjoying our content. But first, before we get into our actual video, I'd like to address something a little more serious. Whoever's writing this stupid shit, I fucking read it. And I will fucking kill you. I swear to fucking God, I will actually just fucking kill you. I will fucking find you. I will fucking kill you. And I see all the dislikes too. Just don't fucking watch the video. I have my address right here. That's my real address. Come and fucking fight me, bitch. Moving on. Before hopping into the video, of course, we need to go over our sponsors. Okay. Cabernet Sauvignon. Something tastes off. Dunham Cellars. One of my favorite wines. I love this wine. I can't get enough. Fuck. I'd like to also announce that we're also sponsored by YouTube. Alright, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Get ready, because we're about to go over all the ingredients. Bread, ham, my sauce, my mayonnaise, as well as our white sauce. I love my white sauce. I can't get enough. Alright, let's jump right in. And that bread is really fucking stale. Next, I usually put on the meat, whatever meat we have. Today I think it was chicken. I think we have chicken. Oh, I'm so ready to plop this on top. Wow, it is wet. Oh my God. That is a great shape right there. I love that shape. Oh, I love meat, no matter what kind of meat it is. If I could put a second slice on, I would, but there's complications. Oop, I just want to eat you up. I want to eat it right now. Oh my God, I really want to eat it. Oh, I haven't had anything to eat today. I never get food. Next ingredient, we're just gonna go straight into sauce. I've always had sauce since I was little. Just get all the sauce, don't leave any. You can see the ham just loves this sauce. And I will too, I'm about to eat it, I can't wait! Everyone at home, don't be afraid to get dirty. If you really just want to get that nice spread going, just get your fingers in there. You get to a lot more liberty with, you know, what you're making. Oop. Fuck. Fuck! Fuck. God, fuck. Oh, fuck. Alright, done with sauce. We're done with sauce. Done with sauce. On to our next sauce. Excuse me for one moment. Next, after you put on sauce, go ahead onto the white sauce. I put the white sauce on more than any of the other sauces, just because I love the taste. You won't be able to apply it like I do. You can try, you won't. I just put a lot on. First start with the left side, and I just go over to the right side. Okay, we're about done. I don't have enough, but I'm gonna try to use as much as I possibly can. And I think that's good. And we're gonna go on to our last sauce. It's just mayo. I don't like mayo that much and I don't put that much on. Okay, let's do this. I didn't want to put mayo on, but we're gonna put it on. I don't like mayo. No, yuck. I don't like mayo. Okay, now we're gonna, our last piece of the puzzle. It's the bottom piece. It's usually on the bottom of the sandwich. We're gonna put it on. All right, and you have the sandwich. Oh, I forgot the laxatives. This is just for me. This is my special treat. Oh, can I eat it now? Can I eat it? It stuck to my teeth. That was delish. Thanks everyone for staying tuned. I'll catch you next time.